niggas say they killed me and kidnapped my daughter. I don't even got no daughter. They mad cause I'm a baller. And they hoes a caller. You know that I'm a staller. Then dig her and ball her. Then never ever call her. They wanna see me dead. What? Put prices on my head. What? Spreading rumors round town. What? Like I fell down. What? They can't hold me down. They can't stop my shine. They can't block my grind. Shout it, it's game time.
What up? What up? What up? I see you. Brooklyn, New York. I'm what it is. Bitch, I do it big. Welcome to my world. I'll show you how I live. They all say I'm mean shit. I'm about me. My middle fingers up, screaming fuck what you think, bitch. I'm what it is, nigga. I'm what it is. Yeah, I got the man here. I'm what it is. You see all this ice? Of course I do it big. Don't even think twice. Yeah, you know I'm what it is. We're not the same. I'm a alien. I'm out of here, bitch, like I did it wrong. My swag stays stupid like a retard. I look better than the slims, yeah, thanks God. I'm the best. I'm cocky. I don't give a fuck. You ain't gotta like me. I'm what it is. Fast life, living life faster than how it is. I'm the best that you send us for.